Had a lot of people ask me about how to get QR codes from Lofty because they are natively built in the back end. You just have to go to each individual page to get the QR code that's connected straight for that page. So first off, when you get into your Lofty system, go to the top, click on content, then websites, get to your page editor, and then click this little icon right here on the left hand side. That brings up all your pages. Okay, so if you look at this, move some of those down. So if you look at this, that matches your header at the top. So each one of these little drop downs is basically a folder when you see these, except for blogs. So each one of these, like let's just say sell, for instance, these three are underneath sell. So if you're like, hey, I need a QR code for my home valuation page, you need to go to the page. Okay, so if it was home, we're already here. You get the QR code, you go up to this right next to publish, two icons over, QR code right there on that drop down. You just simply right click, save image, and then you can use it wherever. If you want to send it to a printer to get it printed, if you're going to put them on your for sale signs, your open house signs, things like that, totally cool. You can use this on print marketing. You can use it on digital marketing. So now if I wanted to do, say, home valuation, like I was just talking about right here, I'm going to come and click on home valuation. It's going to pull up my page, come up to that same icon, QR code. There's the QR code for this page specifically. So think about it. You can put together like your about page. You can have all your social media links on there. You can have all your stuff, all your contact, and then make this a QR code on your business card. So then it's literally goes straight to your contact, all your information. People can get it right away. If you have certain neighborhoods, maybe you're promoting some marketing in those certain neighborhoods, create a page on those neighborhoods and then grab that QR code. And now you can use that on all the marketing. So just think of all the different ways that you can utilize this in your marketing, depending on what it is that you're marketing and where it is you're marketing to. So that's it. It's pretty simplistic, pretty cool. I just had a lot of people asking me, how do I even get these QR codes? And they don't really make it very user friendly of like where to find it. So pretty easy once you get in there and now you know how to do it. So go to town on this stuff. If you're looking for deeper training on things like this, you want to know more about Lofty, check out my school community, Everett Academy. I'll make sure that the link is down below. And always make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to keep things coming. Have a great day.